Ever wanted to send secret messages like they did in the old days? Today, we're building a real Morse code telegraph system that lets you communicate using dots and dashes. Meet our telegraph station. We've got a push button for sending signals, an LED that lights up when you transmit, and a buzzer that beeps to confirm your message. It's like having your own personal telegraph office. Here's the magic. Quick. Press the button, that sends a dot. Hold it down longer, that sends a dash. The system automatically detects the difference based on how long you press. Watch the LED light up and hear the buzzer sound as you send your signals. But here's where it gets incredible. The system doesn't just send signals, it actually reads your mind. Send 3 dots and a dash, and it instantly recognizes that as the letter V. Send dot dash dot, and it knows that's the letter R. It's like having a built-in Morse code translator. The timing is everything in Morse code. Dots are short, dashes are 3 times longer, and we add proper spacing between elements. Our system follows the exact International Morse code standards, so you're learning the real thing that was used to send the first wireless messages. Let me show you the advanced features. We've got 3 training modes: send mode for practicing your transmission, receive mode for learning to decode incoming messages, and practice mode for two-way communication. It even tracks your accuracy and gives you statistics. The wiring is incredibly simple. Just connect the button to digital pin 5, the LED to pin 3, and the buzzer to pin 9. The button uses an internal pull-down resistor, so it's low when not pressed and high when pressed. You're ready to start communicating. Imagine the possibilities: emergency communication systems, secret messages between friends, or just learning a fascinating piece of history. Morse code was used to send the first wireless messages across the Atlantic, and now you can master it with your Arduino. The code is brilliantly designed. It uses button debouncing to prevent false signals, precise timing detection to distinguish dots from dashes, and a complete alphabet lookup table to decode your messages instantly. The button logic is perfect for reliable signal detection. From simple SOS signals to full conversations, this Morse code system gives you the power to communicate without words. It's perfect for beginners learning the basics or advanced users, creating complex communication networks. Hit subscribe for more Arduino magic. Drop a comment with your favorite Morse code message, and let's start communicating in dots and dashes. Remember, Morse code isn't just history, it's a skill that could save your life one day. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome TinkerBlock projects that bring history and technology together.